Okay, so here we are going to see about the output types, right? Yes, so the condition table and the access sequence is ready. So now we want to see the most important thing on this particular thing is an output type. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, the output type here, okay, how it can be configured. So I'll get back here. Okay, so here you have the maintain output type. Okay, it is not equal to the condition type what we have seen earlier in the pricing procedure. This is something different because it is all about output, right? It's almost like a print or mail like that. Okay, it's condition. It's not like any template or all these things. Okay, so we can see that. So go to this output type and execute. So you can able to see these are the standard output type which is available in the system. These are the standard output type. So now what we are configuring actually, so we are configuring the billing document type. For a billing document type, we are just configuring the output type. So we have to look into that billing document type. So I'll just go for the change mode. Okay, you can see what is the standard output type here is. Okay, you can see this RD00, right? This is the standard output type for the billing in SAP. Okay, in SAP, the standard output type for the billing is this RD00. Okay, so if you want to configure something, okay, if you want to configure or you want to update something also, you can just copy this. Okay, you just copy this and you can just maintain something. Okay, yes, okay, don't go with a new entry again. Okay, it will be again, it's so complicated here. This is a standard one. Okay, just copy from this standard and you can able to make anything you want. Okay, right? Yes, yeah. Okay, so you can able to make a copy of this and you can able to make this one. Okay, so before copying that, okay, let me explain all these things. Okay, then we can go for it. Okay, so let me select this particular output type. On the left side, you can see three options. So this three option is entirely new for us, right? So this we haven't seen in the condition type. Okay, condition type is a straight and I think it is not having any more complicated like this. Okay, but this thing you have seen three different configurations are there, okay, which is not seen in the previous thing, right? So now you can able to see this option over here. First thing is a mail title and text. Okay, just double click on that. So there you can able to see the title of the mail and all these things. Okay, what is this title of this mail tail and this one is, if you are preferring, okay, if you are preferring to go with, okay, a mail, okay, you want to send an email to the customer and all these things. So what is the title you want to mention on the email? So you can just type it over here. Okay, it's not very popular here. It's all traditional things. It is available here. Now the ABAP, okay, so you can utilize the ABAP to so think what are the things you want to put, or header and footer, everything he will make it very clear. Okay, so you don't want to waste the time on this particular thing here. It is standard. Okay, so if you want to take the value from here, you can put some value here and you can ask the ABAP to take the value from here. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, so second thing is you can just inform the ABAP to put the condition in the program itself. We are going to see about the program. So using that program also, he can able to make it very easily. So based on the convenience, okay, based on the convenience of the technical person. Right. So now we are going for the next thing, okay, so which is a processing routing. Okay, actually you can see this is the heart of this output. If this processing routines, okay, it's properly configured, okay, everything is perfect. So just double click on that. So that you can able to see, okay, so this is the processing routine. The processing routine, so it has given something, okay, it's a standard, it has given something, but if it is not standard, how it will be there is, if I go for a new entry, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, this is our output type, this is standard, and this is an application V3 stands for billing. Okay, and you can able to set this one. Okay, you have to set this up. How you are going to set this is based on the transmission medium. You can see, so these are the different medium which is available in the system. Okay, how you want to take the output. Okay, it can be a printout, it can be a fax, it can be telex, it can be external send, it can be EDI, or it can be a simple email, or we have workflows. Okay, workflows are very popular. Okay, so communication between the system internally or externally, you can able to communicate. Okay, so like that you can able to update, okay, any medium what you want here. Okay, so based on that you can able to go for that particular case here. Okay, so how it is possible is, okay, so how you can able to make is you have to So analyze the ABAP. Okay, so first thing, the technical person should be very strong, because without technical help we cannot able to complete this output determination. Okay, this is very very important, because it is not only based on the, okay, so functional consultant. Okay, functional consultant, we have a scope of limitation here. So here after the programs, okay, you can see that, okay, maybe I'm just going for a printout. Here you can see the processing 1, you have a processing 1 and processing 2 and processing 3, like that. Okay, you have some processing, right? So with the same output type, okay, you can see the same output type, you can assign different programs. You can see program 1 and you can see program 2 and you can see program 3, like that. You can assign different programs. And if your ABAP is capable of doing this kind of multitasking, all these things, so he can perform this. For an example, for a certain condition, this program should come for the printout. So for the certain condition, this program should come. In certain condition, this program will come. So program is nothing but the print. Say either you are taking a print out or you are taking it through the email. So the program is required. Okay, the layout and the design of the print. Okay, what should be the heading, the logo, all these things to be there, right? So the billing, how the billing document will looks like. The billing document will looks like something, right? It should be more attractive and it should have all the information, what are the things we are asking. Okay, so that ABAP is responsible for creating that program, and that program you have to assign it here. And he will give the form routine as well, and he will give the form as well, and he will give the PDF form also. Sometime, okay, we have to take it in PDF, or you want to directly send it to the printer. On that case, you need to have the program. So who will give this program? The program will be given by the ABAP here. If the ABAP is not strong, just close with one program. Okay, one output type, one medium, one program. That is more than enough. If your ABAP is very so the expert level, okay, all these things, you can put multiple programs and you can ask him to make a different condition for that. Okay, so or else don't do this one. Okay, it will be a very serious thing, because the output, if it is wrong, if it is not properly working, okay, the entire company will be, okay, questioning you. Okay, so don't go with that risk, okay, if until your ABAP is stronger, right? Yes. Now you can go back. Okay, so I'm not, okay, so just go back, I'll show you the reality. So here you can able to see, okay, this is how the reality is happening. So here you can see, okay, the first thing you can see a medium. Okay, you can see a medium over here. Okay, in this medium, okay, I'll just take a snapshot. Okay, that will be easier to explain. Okay, so just take this one and you can see this. Okay, this is a printout. You can see this is a printout medium. Okay, we just selected this medium and you can see the program over here. Okay, this is the program. Okay, so this is the program. Who given this program? This program was given by the ABAP, because he is responsible for creating a program in this particular SAP here. We cannot able to create that. Okay, so how you want, what kind of template you want, what should be available, what are the data you want, all the function specification, you need to give that. Okay, all the function specification, you need to give that. Okay, so but the technical programming will be done by the ABAP. Okay, this program you need to assign here. So whenever for this output type, for this particular program, when this output type is selected, automatically this program will get up in the front end. Very simple. And also you can see the form routine. Okay, this is a form routine which will be given, okay, by the ABAP, which one we will be putting on. And finally you can see the PDF format. Okay, if you want to take the printout in the PDF, you can just want to assign a special program for that. So based on that it will work. And also you can just put that, okay, what type of okay, printout you want. Okay, you want in a PDF and all those things. Yes, you can able to of course mention over here. So the system will work based on that. Okay, so not only for the printout, okay, what are the mediums you want? Okay, it's not like only one medium you have to take. You can take any medium. So fax is there, so external send is there, maybe the mail or something. So you want to put all the programs, okay, wherever the program matters. Okay, you have to give the right program and you want to give the right instruction over here. So this, the ABAP needs to guide you. Okay, so with their guidance you can able to do that one. You can able to add n number of routines on that. So what will happen based on that condition, this system will work. Okay, so one output time. So maybe, okay, if you have two different plant, okay, so you have plant 1, okay, you have plant 1 and you have plant 2. Okay, two different plants. two different plans, you want two different setups, then what we need to do? So here you want to have one output type, okay, so one, and here you should have output type 2. So that will be better. Okay, that will be always better. Or else sometime what we can do is we can use the combination, okay, the table combination we have used, right? So the sales organization, okay, the sales organization plus the billing type, okay, the billing type combination we have used, right? This combination we can use also, we can take it up. Okay, so how you want to have that one, you can able to have this one, okay, based on this combination it will work perfectly, right? Yes. So now we can just go back. Okay, so now we got this understanding about this here. So now the final thing is about the partner function here. Okay, so just you want to select that which medium and go to the partner function. You can able to see this partner function is very important. Why? Because these all things will come under the combination. Okay, so the medium, for which medium which function should be there. Okay, for an example, if you just opening a billing document, okay, the billing document should have a sold to party or a bill to party. If this function, partner function is available, then only this medium will be selected. Okay, definitely there is a sold to party and bill to party will be there. Okay, so because we just already seen from the sale order, we are continuously seeing that. Okay, it is there, but still we want to give a condition over here. What are the medium we are using for that medium? So which is the partner function to be matched? If this partner function is there, so this can be activated like that condition we are giving you over here. Okay, if you give like that, so what will happen? So it will automatically work based on that. Right? Yes. Okay, so this is the output type here. Okay, so like that you can create n number of output type what you want. You can able to go with that. So maybe we can just copy that. Okay, I think already some copied will be there. Maybe, okay, we can just see that. Okay, or else we can use the standard one. Okay, this is itself is more than enough. Okay, so just we know the logic, right? So just use the standard one itself, RD00. So just go back. Okay, so now the output type is also ready now. Okay, so your output type is also ready in this case. Okay, so now it's time for doing the procedure. Okay, in the last time regarding the pricing procedure, we have just gone through a very big structure. Okay, so now it is not a big structure here, but the template is same. Okay, whatever the template we have used in the pricing procedure, the template we are going to use the same template. Okay, that's not a thing. So but the things are, okay, so because they are using only the output type here. Okay, we are not going to use any calculations or something over here. So that is the difference. Okay, that is the difference over here. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so let me go for this output determination here. Okay, so let me go for this one. Okay, yes, go for maintain output determination procedure. Okay, just execute that. Okay, so there you can see, okay, there are a number of procedures here. In this you can see this is a standard procedure. Here also you can see no one has customized anything. See, no one has touched this one. Okay, because okay, it's a normal standard thing. So with the standard procedure itself, you can able to do that one. Or else if you want to create a new one, you can just create by copying this billing time. Okay, but we suggest to go with the standard. Just don't touch anything here because you just go with standard, so you don't have to put more effort on this one, or else you have to spend a lot of time. You will be wasting your time in the configuration. Okay, just take this standard output type. This is a standard output type is available here. Okay, with that you have to go to the control data, the same option. Right, the same option what we have seen in the pricing procedure. The same option here. So just double click on that. So there you can able to see, okay, the particular template, the same template. Okay, you can see the step. Okay, and you can see, okay, I'll just expand all these things. Okay, you just understand this one. Okay, right. Okay, you can see that the same template, but it's not like a very complicated template what we have used in the pricing procedure. It's a very simple template here. You can see the same option. You have a step. Okay, you have a counter, you have the condition type, see, and description, everything. Okay, the same template. Okay, what is the template we just used in the pricing procedure? The same template we have here. But what is the difference? We don't have any formulas, we don't have any calculations, we don't have any subtotals, nothing. Okay, it's not like that kind of template here. It is just an output template. We are going to take an output. Okay, so what we need to do, you can just see. Okay, so the step number 10. Okay, and what we are giving, the first option, no counter, and you can see the condition type is RD00. As a standard we are giving that, so it means we are giving the priority only here. Okay, we are giving only the priority here, which should come first, second, like that we are giving the priority. So based on that priority only it's working, that's it. So it's not making any big thing here. Okay, just making a priority, that's it. Okay, so just making a priority here. Okay, so it's just making a priority, so based on the priority it will work. Right? Yes. Yeah. So same thing you can see for other things also. You can see other steps and all these things, just giving the priority and all these things. And also you will be thinking that okay, this is something, a formula, but this is not a formula here. This is just related to the print. You can see that. Okay, so you can see billing document release posting. Okay, so when this output should be generated, for an example, if a billing document is released, okay, so after releasing only this document should release. Okay, it should come. So like that we can able to give a control over here. Okay, or else you want to give a combination like a reprinting option, like that, or whatever things you want to give, but this is related to only for the printing. Okay, it's not like any formulas or something which we already used in the particular setup, right? Yes. Okay, so now after all these things, okay, you can see this is the procedure all we have. So now you can go back here. Okay, just go back, and what we need to do is, you can see assign output determination to the procedure. We need to assign, right? I told you, right? So we will be assigning here itself. Okay, so earlier I told, okay, so it will be gone to the business partner, and we will be assigning in the business partner here. Okay, so but here what we are doing here, okay, so here we are just assigning here itself. You can see that. So just click on this option. So there you can see the billing type, okay, versus the output determination. And what is the output type you want, you can just give it over here. So in the single assignment it will be done. Okay, for an example, okay, let me take any billing type here. Okay, so let me open any billing document here. So VF02, right? Yes. And okay, you can take any billing document. Okay, I'll take this, just an example. Now how to find the billing type here? Okay, so you can see, okay, the billing type is in the top. You can see ZEQY, just an example. Okay, you can see ZEQY is a billing document type. Okay, ZEQY. Okay, so if I go for ZEQY, okay, I'll go for this position and find out, okay, ZEQY, okay, and give an enter. Okay, there you can see, okay, which is standard, which is already there. Okay, if it is not there, we need to assign this particular case. You can see this combination is there, very simple combination. The same thing we did for the pricing procedure also, but finally we taken the key and we just gone somewhere. But here we are not doing that, so we just assigning over here. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, just assigning the procedure. Okay, it will be fine here. Okay, right. So now after this, what we need to do is, we need to go for one more space over here. Okay, after assigning, okay, this procedure for this billing document type, it is perfect here. Okay, it is perfect. But now we want to make an automate here. So whenever the user is trying to create a billing using this billing document type, he need to get the procedure and the output combination perfectly. So how you can get that one is, for an example, we want to go to one more setup which is called as, okay, we commonly called as, so NACE configuration. It's a NACE configuration. It is common for all the output type. Okay, it is not only for sales, for MM and all these things. This is configuration is common. Go for this NACE. There you can able to see your application. You can see, okay, so purchase orders and all these things are there, and you can see the, okay, the billing over here, the V3. Okay, V3 is the billing. Okay, same thing you can do whatever we did in the path. Okay, the same thing you can do it here also. You can see the procedures, output type, access sequence, all the options are available. Either you can come here or you can do it over here. So already we are very familiar with the path, so that's why I just taken you into the path. right? Yes, now just select this particular billing here and just go for this condition record. The final option I told you, right? The condition record here, where we are just automating the process. Just click on this condition record, and there you can able to see it will ask you for the output types. So what are the output types we have? All the output types will be displayed here. Which output type you want, you can just select here. Okay, just double click on this one. Okay, you can see this is our output type. Double click on that. Yes, you can see automatically a combination is coming: sales, organization versus billing type. So this is the combination. This is the table combination. We just made it over here. So that combination is coming over here. Okay, so here you can see the combination. For an example, I'm giving the organization as 1000, and what is the billing type here? It is ZEQI, right? Just give ZEQI, okay, and just execute. Okay, so it is already maintained because it's standard. You can see this is the combination. Okay, this is the combination here. You can see this is the combination. Okay, this is the combination. So where this combination is reflecting is, okay, I'll just put it on parallel side. Okay, I'll just put it on parallelly. Okay, so now on the right side you can see the invoice, on the left side you can see that. So I can go to this go to option and header, and there you can see the output option. Okay, if I click on this output, the same thing what you are seeing on the left side you can see on the right side. You can see the right side, you can see the output type RD00 automatically came, and you can see the medium is printout. Okay, you can see here for this particular billing type, so we have given the medium as here. You can see medium 1. Medium 1 in sense it is a printout, so it is perfectly matching. The next thing you can see, okay, so the partner function, you can see on the right side you can see the partner function. So the partner function here also it is same. See, you can see ship to party, oh sorry, sold to party. Okay, and you can see, okay, the date and time. Okay, when this print needs to be developed. Okay, you can see it is immediate here. You can see send immediately when application is saving, and there you can see the same option will be there on the right side also. You can see that. So you can see the same option over here. See, yes, and finally the language you have given English over here, and here also it is English. So this is the screen what we are configuring the background to make this automatic. The user doesn't need to select all this option. So they want to create a billing document, that's it. So all the output type, all these things, selections, everything will happen automatically. Okay, so we don't want to waste the time over here. So this will be completely automated. Okay, right? Yes. So now what we have to do is one more thing is, okay, you have the right side, you can see if you go for the communication method, we have the communication also. What is the printer? This is a virtual printer here in SAP. So the virtual printer can be used, and you can see it is print immediately. It is saying that it is want to print immediately. The same thing where it is coming from is here, it is coming from here. You can see that in communication you can see the same option. See, same output device and print immediately. So this is the configuration, okay, so which makes the user to get this output automatically. Okay, so we don't want to worry about that. Okay, automatically you will be getting this. So what will happen? So user don't want to worry about, or they won't want to remember what is the code, what is the output type, what is the medium, nothing like that. So whatever they want, already we are defining in the configuration, so which will makes the process automate. Okay, completely it will make the work process automate. Okay, so this is an output determination here. Okay, so only if you are clear with the pricing procedure, so this option will be super easy. Okay, so just go through the pricing procedure once. Okay, then you can come for this point. So that will be super easy. Okay, that is what as per the particular thing here. So we have done the output determination over here. So whatever the output one, you can able to do that. Okay, the printout or mail, okay, all these things we can do that one. But if any external connection like EDI or workflow like that condition, we want to involve the technical guy. Almost the ABAP is fully they are working for this. Okay, that is one thing. The other things like if you want to activate the EDI or workflow, that kind of condition, so you want to include the basis. Okay, who is the basis person? You want to include that basis person over here. So that guy only actually can able to help you to connect with the internal or external system. Right? Yes. Okay.